Welcome to Pananaw Moments, where we reflect on the Sunday Gospels. When they saw him, they worshiped, but they doubted. When Jesus ascended, the disciples were amazed to see him going up to heaven. Yet, they were questioning what will happen next in their lives. Jesus had physically gone. What about us, whom he asked to continue his works? Out of the uncertainties of their future, Jesus assured them by saying, "I am with you always until the end of the age." We always face uncertainties. We do not know what will happen tomorrow. However, Jesus reminds us, through his ascension, that we cannot stay in those moments. We have to go. We have to face it. We have our goals, and to reach them, we have to pass by some challenges in order for us to grow. When we say, "Hindi ko na kaya," lo and behold, Jesus is always with us, helping and guiding us. Thank you for journeying with us. See you next Sunday for more Pananaw Moments.